Today we are unboxing and trying on two different rings from Macy's. Now these are both lab grown diamond rings, and I actually got them on like 75 or 80% off. So this one retailed for $500. Again, they are lab created gemstone. They are going to come with this tag. You can't take off these tags or else they are not returnable anymore. So just keep that in mind. I love this ring. I think it is so designer. It looks like it could have come from Tiffany's. It is very, very shiny. And it does tell you the specs. So we do have one total carat weight SLV. I think this is like slightly included. It doesn't say that on here, but I think the diamonds themselves are like very slightly included. So that is the ring on my finger. You can see, I hope that you can see the like just how sparkly it is, but I think it's so dainty. I think it's truly like very just lovely. So that is the ring. I plan on wearing this on my ring finger. It is too small for my other fingers. It is a size 5, and I usually wear a size 5 on this finger, so it does fit true to size. And that's how I would style this one. Now next up, we have a little bit more expensive one. So this one was $1,000 retail, but again, I got it on like 75 to 80% off. Now you'll see, again, you have to keep this on. It does have the lab created gemstones tag. This one is 2 total carat weight. And you'll see on this one, it does say very slightly included and slightly included. So these are kind of like the second tier. So this again is a size 5. It fits the exact same way. This one specifically, I don't know if it's gonna be still available, but it has like smooth elements on the side, but then like a bunch of diamond, like a rows of diamonds on the top. So it is pretty comfortable. Like you might think this is not comfortable because you know the diamonds extend, but it stops where my other fingers like attach. Now this one to me is a little bit more shiny than this one, and it might just be because there's less of this material. I don't even know what this is. I think it's either sterling or it could be white gold. Based on the price, I do think it is sterling. But overall, yeah, I think that like the lack of extra sterling or kind of like design to it, and that it's just like a wall of diamonds, I think that's why this is a little bit more shiny. You can kind of see them side by side. So those are the 2 rings that I picked up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.